Some Western countries keep telling lies on so-called Xinjiang issues, but actually, many Pakistani people, scholars, journalists, including Ambassador to China, His Excellency Moin Haq, has visited Xinjiang for many times. They saw the place with their own eyes and talked a lot about it. Have you heard of them talking about Xinjiang? And what do you think of lies told by those Western countries?
There is a lot of criticism about the treatment of Uyghurs by China in the West. But our ambassador went there, Moin Haq, who's our ambassador in China. We asked him, and he went there and he sent us information that this is actually not true on the ground. But what we in Pakistan find it very difficult to swallow is that while they talk about Uyghurs, they do not talk much in the West about Kashmir. Because in Kashmir, the worst violations of human rights are taking place by India. And somehow there is selective silence about human rights in Kashmir, where there's something like 9 million people who are basically living in the worst conditions in almost an open prison by these 800,000 Indian troops. So we find it very difficult that while on one side they talk about Xinjiang, but on the other hand there is the silence about Kashmir is deafening for us. And these double standards is what we in Pakistan find it difficult.